also teach our pupils how to hit high shots. And the following drills are great for improving pitching and bunker play as well, because that's the wristy family, whereas the low shot was the non-wristy. Again, checking that the Explanar is in a sufficiently upright plane. You'll see that the upright plane is going across the middle of the sternum again. Holding the handle of the power roller in the middle, we build the swing up. Shoulders and arms. But we can introduce wrist hinge really quite early. It's also important to note that if the shoulders don't provide width, it would be easy for the roller to come inside Explanar. We need our pupils to have width of movement in the swing as well as a wrist hinge. So give them width by allowing the short roller to bring them back and through in a wide arc. And once you're happy with that, allow the wrists to move back and through creatively, and you're looking for a 90-degree wrist set at the top to plane. You'll notice though that the tip of the short roller is only just on the plane fin. You can also do a variation on that drill by taking your pupils a little bit around the stance mat, and then you'll give them the sense of a cut spin pitch, which is also very, very useful. Again, once they've done that, take your pupils to the practice ground with a wedge or a 9-iron. That new wrist hinge and that oily movement will get the ball to fly high and land softly. Having used Explanar and the short power roller to increase the wrist hinge in the pupils' game, we can now move to the practice tee. Make sure that when they've been on Explanar, they've got loads of wrist hinge, lots of movement in their hands, as well as a good shoulder turn. So width of shoulder turn and wrist hinge are needed in good pitching. That allows us to hit the ball much higher. So, aim the club conventionally, tee the ball up as well, give the pupil the best chance, make sure the wrist set early. A waggle's a good idea, and just remind them of the movement they had within Explanar. Again, you want to be wristy on this side of the backswing and wristy through the ball. So here we go. As you can see, the ball goes much higher and lands softly. We turn the 5-iron trajectory into 8-iron trajectory.